Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to download and install the Unreal Engine 5.8. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here, Google, search for Epic Games, download Epic Games Launcher, click this link and go ahead to download. Okay, fine, click here. Yes, the installation of Epic Games Launcher is begin. Okay, now you can connect using your Google account, Xbox, PlayStation, results you need. Okay, for me, I want to use my Google account. Okay, hit continue. Okay, almost done. Press continue to close this window and go back to the begin essential. Okay, hit continue and let's video right here. Now, okay, this is my Epic Games launcher. We have to go here to Unreal Engine library. Engine versions. We have to choose this final version 5.8.2. Review. Hit install. Install. Okay, install. Yes. Okay. And this is the installation of the Unreal Engine 5.8. It's around 1132 gigabytes. Okay, we are done installing the editor and plugin and Quixel Prince. Now let's launch it. You have to press this launch button to launch the editor or this launch button. Okay, let's launch from here. Okay, fine. Let's create a new project. Select games. Select third person as template. This is the project name. You can rename it what you want and hit create. Okay, fine. As you can see, this is the interface of the Unreal Engine 5.8. Thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial.